Choosing the right HVAC contractor is a pivotal step towards ensuring a comfortable, energy-efficient home. This guide aims to provide key considerations and actionable insights to make this process seamless. Certified technicians are the backbone of reputable HVAC contractors. Their certification symbolizes a standard of excellence and expertise, ensuring your HVAC systems are handled proficiently. Engage with HVAC contractors who offer a spectrum of services from maintenance and repairs to installation. Modern HVAC systems come equipped with advanced features like smart thermostats and zone cooling and heating. Comparing services, credibility, and customer satisfaction levels between local and national HVAC contractors can provide insights. Consider the energy efficiency of HVAC systems by exploring models like LG's dual inverter AC and Toshiba's inverter high wall split system. Obtaining clear project quotes, understanding the warranty terms, and exploring financing options for HVAC services can ease the financial burden. A checklist encompassing customer reviews, certifications, service range, and warranty terms can be a handy tool when evaluating HVAC contractors. Engaging with HVAC contractors requires a thorough evaluation on various fronts. The right HVAC contractor can significantly enhance the comfort, air quality, and